From this side-on view, the biggest thing I want you to focus on is that I keep my chest expanded and my rib cage and sternum tilted up towards the ceiling, even while I pause at the bottom of the rep. The bar doesn't actually sink my rib cage down. The other thing to focus on as I've slowed down the video is that throughout the rep, up and down, my forearms try to stay as completely vertical as possible, keeping my wrists stacked on top of my elbows. On the other view I'm going to go to next, you'll see that at the bottom of the rep, those wrists are directly on top of the elbows. If my grip were too wide, my hands would be outside of the elbows at the bottom. And if my grip were too narrow, my hands would be inside of the elbows at the bottom of the rep. Try to keep that forearm completely vertical. The other thing you'll notice is when I pause here at the bottom of the rep, my rib cage doesn't get sunken down by the bar or the weight that's on the bar. I want to maintain that tension through the pec and get as much length through the pec as possible. In order to do that, I have to keep the rib cage expanded and as tall as possible.